Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by launching Visual Catpro and loading your target project immediately. Don't linger on general setup. Grant the app GPU access so processing is fast, and point the importer to the /visual assets and /models folders. Once done, verify the timeline unit and frame rate match your source media, and make sure autosave interval is set to 5 minutes. This first step gets your environment ready and prevents rework later when you start processing frames. You now build the processing chain, ingest your clips, run the preprocessing filters, then run inference with the Cat Pro Only Way model and finish with post-processing. Select Cat Pro Only Way V2, 1 and set confidence to 0. 65 to balance precision and recall, larger values reduce false positives. Once done, use batch size 8 with mixed precision to accelerate runs while watching VRAM. If memory spikes, reduce batch size. Make sure logging is enabled so you can trace errors during long jobs. You finish by exporting finalized clips. Pick MP4H, 264 for distribution and ProRes for further editing, and always render a 10-second sample first to confirm quality. Once done, inspect keyframes and telemetry for misdetections or artifacts. If you see banding or false positives, lower the model confidence or reapply the denoise and rerun inference. Make sure to save a named checkpoint before full export so you can revert quickly if a change introduces regressions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.